Grade 12s. Yes, now we are doing a general solution. Yeah, we'll highlight some few problems as Tadban Buzaza, ne? And it deals with Tisha. So now we tell. So upper the column and then no tracker. You see, so if it's like when the general solution, I understand. We give applause for you. That is good. But if the down was gone, then this video is yours. So make sure you listen attentively and see what down. So let's go straight to general solution. Apply the knowledge to the when the sense is born. The general solution you know the interest I am not who solve here you'll be given equation just straight comes again. The only identities in double angles and compound angles we test one has up. So for now the bonus zone because this is grade 12 part. So for next was born in double angles, 7 in double angles, compound angles. So we test as our rules. These are rules phrases are zile. Kasi solve ukuze sikwazi solve any kind of problem esidibana nayo. You see. So ungabinaqala apha oyike ube namaqala. No. For example apha sino cos 40 times cos theta plus sin 40 sin theta equal to minus 1. Thomas, full general solution. Don't worry, this is a compound angle. And here has must see ratios are compound angles. The cos and sine. Eight column of cos law. And no sine cos, no sine law. And because if no plus pa, it land on a pagatunjan, no minus. So upper, no cos bar up, no cos 40 minus theta equal to bar. Equal to minus 1. I believe so long as I born la diagram in the conjunction. So in this case, if you got a problem, solve a paya. The reference angle yako ingman. Sitemos upper theta or point the quadrant. So it's sine la theta is very important. So if upper is no cos arc 1, which is 90 degrees, cos arc 1. No cos arc 1 which is symbol which is 0, not 90, sorry, cos 0, which is 0 degrees. So that is your reference angle. So apa siyofuna na solution yethu where cos and negative chord. Cos negative going quadrant, second quadrant and third quadrant. So with second quadrant, so 7 is 40 minus theta equal to RA. Okay. So with third quadrant, second quadrant, 180 minus RA plus K360. Engine zero like so. So minus theta upper equals 180 minus 40 plus K360 was 0 low plus K360. So theta wako solve the power then 140 low plus K360. Then theta wako is about minus 140 minus K360. So now the general solution for the problem. So go to upper in this case. Okay, wako, we don't have a solution where we can say theta is a number, but it's no k pi or integer. So you can put minus 1 here, of one solution yako, but of negative restriction. So if you solve a general solution under a restriction where theta is an element, let's say minus 270 to positive 270. You see? So here you will take now integers zako minus 1, 0, 1, minus 2 to 2. You test the power for calculate. It means I could show you the we find values. So I'm not here to teach you about how to find the value. I know you can calculate those things. uzijonga. But then ufuna ukubonisa yona xa problem ilolu hlobo, how do you go about such problems? Because I know kaloku ukusolva awunangxaki nako. If unawo ingxaki nokusolva, you'll give us a call or send us via WhatsApp kula number sikunika yona kwi first video ye diagrams. So mna ndifuna nje ukuvezela the type of equations esawudibana nazo. For example, apha sine equation ethi cos 2 theta equal to sin theta plus 1. Now in that case, how do you do? Because ngoku une case olula hlobo ngoku. How do you go in that case? Don't stress. Here cos 2 theta uyakwazi ukumtshintsha into sin. Le into akho nto noyenza kuyo. Don't even stress ngayo. So apha uyoba no 1 minus 2 sin squared theta equal to sin theta plus 1. So that is izinto ziwelise ziye ngapha. So mayiwela le across equal sign. So mana 2 sin theta plus sin theta ngapha. Ziyacancellishana izi. Izafika ibe ngu-0 le. So apha keep a common factor. Uyazihambela ke mntakwethu. You don't have any problem. So this is 2 sin theta plus 1 equal to 0. Then when sin theta up olingana 0 or sin theta olingana minus half. The value zakho is. Then you solve the general solution yakho pa RA walapha uzaba ngubani RA walapha sin arc 0 fumana ivalue yakho lingana bani xa usine ngu-0 ungubani. So RA wakho apha izaba ngu-0 size apha kweli cala lesibini. RA wakho sin arc half. Don't put minus because the minus point quadrant. So RA wakho abe ngubani abe ngu-30 degrees. So this will be 30 degrees. Then you go straight now for this one. Usine wakho positive pa. So apho usine wakho positive khona ile nto yakho i-general solution izaba ngu-theta equals RA which is 0 plus K360 or 180 degrees plus K360 because paya usine positive. So it's about 0 plus K360 or 180 plus K360. Okay, is an element of set. This is 1 mark question. London doing 1 mark per. So please don't label. Then what's the less mean sin theta wakho negative pa. So sin negative way quadrant. So from one paya a third and fourth quadrant. So theta wakho with third quadrant is about 180 plus the reference angle which is that plus K360 degrees which is 210 plus K360. So theta wakho lo aphinda be negative wave quadrant 360 degrees which is 4 minus 360 minus 30 plus K360. Now the method of years you don't have a problem. Then if unengxaki you will tell us asinangxaki. Then you take your marks per. So this is 330 minus or plus K360. General solution yakho la ayikabi solution. So I believe wonke umuntu understand now the meaning of this side or solve part. The meaning of this side and this one. If it's positive, you go to a quadrant where the ratio is positive. If it's negative, you go to a quadrant where the ratio is negative. Then you follow this trend. Because the ratio zakho to solve the paya general solution yakho. Now let's take into different problems. Sikufaka pha kwazi. I will solve. Okay. So now the problem is now apa. Gogo sino There's problems now. Is about different compared to others. You see, your color it equals 2 theta plus 45 equals cos 20 minus theta. Cos 20 minus theta. So upper one ratio that was fine, cos equal ratios. So upper RA, one of these two will be RA. You choose the RA wako pipa. So equal ratios, equal angles. So let's see other row. So RA wako le. So if le is ngapo equal sign, le is ngenda RA. If le is ngapo equal sign, le is ngenda ngapo kwa RA. So the choose the bufune pipa. For example, I will take this one. So RA1 with 2 theta plus 45. Let it solve violate. So apa uzabanaban cos wako positive wave quadrant. First and fourth. So uzabanaban up 20 degrees minus theta plus K360. Then you solve theta wako. We select theta zengapa. Doing 3 theta lo 20 degrees minus 45. Ibang man lo. Minus 45 degrees plus K360. So 3 theta wako having 25 plus K360. Then we divide by theta by 3 both sides. Fumani value yakuba 25 divided by 3 umban, which is 8.33. So you will have 8.33 here plus K 120. For K is an element of set. That is how you will do it. So this is for positive first quadrant. Now we go to fourth quadrant. Because we have positive and negative. So upper fourth quadrant where your sign with a positive corner. Sabanaban, so Sabana 3 theta equals RA wako will have value. Sorry, made a mistake here. So about 2 theta plus 45 equals minus RA, which is 20 minus theta plus K360. That is the value of Niopa. Then you multiply plus theta plus K360. So that is how you solve these problems. Then you solve theta wako, being theta only 1 equal to negative 65 plus K360. For K is an element of set. So tati maxes zako pa. For general solution, then if they give you restriction like a number, you solve the problem with numbers. Or we figure up substituting integers. Fumani values zako pa. So what you don't leave those marks. Go question, go 7 marks, 8 marks question. Abia 7 zangabo. Please don't leave for the marks as the marks zako. The marks zako is. Magasta the case is different. Magasta the case is different. Up and now, uzanikwa 8 different scenario. You got 2 ratios now. I believe the simplest problems is a wazu zenza. As bas na color zona up. So apa it's no sine 15 minus theta equals cos 20 plus theta. Cases now layer. Now the general solution here to up. General solution here. The ratios are different. And no chonga upper in front of the ratios. Buki number and 1 1. If you number I call 1, I paransanga. Don't change the ratios. Now to expand it. But if number yakho is 1 1 and is positive both sides, then you can change ratios up. So that means here we can write this in terms of sign. So sine 15 minus theta equals sine 90 minus 20 plus theta. So the formula on sine 15 minus theta equals sine 70 minus theta. Now masela hapa ibela le case equal ratios equal angles. So hapa RA wako uzalingana 15 minus theta equal to 70 minus theta. So serve the same approach pa ubali angles zako. So into mfuna ikhila pa into ba xa ngabe ratios zakho zingafani another case now. How do you go about such situations? So the interesting questions is as mnandi kakhulu. For example, uzawusolve i-general solution yakho pa ufumana answer yakho, you don't have a problem. But what if now on a sine theta minus 60 equals cos 2 theta? Uhamba njani la problem? Now you got a case and this is negative. So in this case, tata lendo uyibuyisele to the same situation. Khumbula phaya uba thina sinabantu sino sin theta minus 60 equals minus change the cos into angle yakho and sine afano sine. So this will be sine 90 minus 2 theta. We know already that. Now the question is sine or negative wave quadrant. So the amount of sine over negative wave quadrant is third quadrant and fourth quadrant. So the third quadrant on a sine 180 plus theta, which is 90 minus 2 theta. That is third quadrant. So on a sine alpha 270 minus 2 theta. So sine bar ko benjan ba fana boy 2. Then ibela pa classnary. You take your marks. So make sure guys if problems ezilolu uyakwazi uzenza kahle, you can change from one ratio to the next and apply the principle yokuba general solution and follow i-technique amisi wakho akunika yona ukuze ukwazi ufumana answers zakho. Otherwise for me, if there is any question oyibuza ngizoyiva kuwe, but for difficult problems sizibreakile the rules zaphelela. So that is on your hands now. Enjoy.